Understanding the phrase, hold water, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the intriguing phrase, hold water. This expression is a fantastic example of how English can use everyday words to convey a deeper, metaphorical meaning. So, let's dive in and understand what it means when something is said to hold water. First, let's look at the literal meaning of the words. Hold refers to the ability to contain or keep something without letting it escape. Water, as we all know, is a liquid. So, literally, to hold water means to contain water without letting it spill or leak. This physical act is simple to understand but forms the basis for the metaphorical use of the phrase. In everyday English, hold water is often used metaphorically. When someone says that an argument or theory does not hold water, they mean that it is not sound, solid, or logical. Just like a container with holes cannot hold water effectively, an argument that has holes or flaws in its logic cannot be considered strong or convincing. This metaphorical use is common in discussions, debates, and analytical conversations. Let's look at some examples to understand better. 1. Debating skills. His argument doesn't hold water because it lacks factual evidence. 2. Analyzing a theory. The theory held water until new research disproved it. 3. Legal argument. The defense's case won't hold water in court due to the lack of credible witnesses. These examples show how the phrase is used in different contexts to indicate the strength or weakness of an argument or idea. As an English learner, it's important to use this phrase correctly. Remember, it is mostly used in negative contexts, like, doesn't hold water. Best used in formal or semi-formal discussions. Don't confuse it with literal references to holding liquid. Understanding such nuances will make your English more fluent and natural. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of hold water. It's a great example of English's rich metaphorical language. Remember, learning a language is not just about words, but also about the idioms and expressions that bring it to life. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.